Good morning. This is the National Weather Service with your weekly weather briefing. If we take a look at the highlights for this week, you'll notice that we have an isolated severe thunderstorm potential across some of our southeastern counties for this afternoon, which is today, May 13th. Another upper level disturbance is also anticipated to move through our region later on this week, Wednesday into Thursday. So that'll bring a chance for potentially seeing some excessive rainfall. And we'll also have to continue to monitor that for a chance of severe weather as well. But in the meantime, we take a look at today's severe weather potential. You'll notice it's largely confined to the southeastern portions of our area, which is going to be east of a Brownwood to Junction line. Those locations that are in dark green as well as yellow are the areas that are at the highest risk of seeing potential severe weather, to include large hail and damaging winds. Much of this activity will largely remain off to our southeast, closer to areas like San Antonio and southeastern Texas. But a few of those isolated cells may move just far enough north that they develop in our area. If that happens, the most likely time that'll occur is between 3 and 7 p.m. This afternoon. And again, the main hazards are going to be large hail and damaging winds with that activity. So if we take a look at the forecast going through Saturday, you'll notice that the next disturbance will move through the region on Wednesday and Thursday. As this activity moves across the plains, it may be just enough support for us to get some scattered thunderstorms across the region during this time period. Ample moisture across the region will leave us with the potential to see some excessive rainfall Wednesday night into Thursday, which is the predominant time frame that we're looking at seeing this activity move through. But afterwards, we'll return back to mostly sunny conditions and fairly nice weather with highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s for Friday and Saturday. So just a quick note on that excessive rainfall potential there on Wednesday night and Thursday. Here's the outlook from the Weather Prediction Center that shows an marginal to slight risk of excessive rainfall across the region. You'll notice it covers the majority of the area, so just be on the lookout for a few of those thunderstorms to potentially produce heavy rain, which may lead to some localized flooding during this time period. So just keep an eye on that going forward. And then largely, here's our drought summary, which you'll notice a lot of the area has received some rainfall as of late, so a lot of our area has actually improved. So let's just give you a quick moment to take a look at that drought summary there real quick. But otherwise, going ahead and looking further on out, the 6 to 10 day outlook mainly looks like most of our area will be higher chances of being above normal and roughly right around normal for precipitation. So that's the main takeaway from this slide. As always, here's a quick reminder on some of the regions that you may see in some of our area forecast discussions, such as the Concho Valley or Northwest Hill Country. Just a refresher, those are the geographic areas that we'll reference. So if you are looking at some of those products, that might be a helpful reminder. But otherwise, that's about it for this briefing. If you have any questions, our contact info is on this slide. Thank you, and we hope you have a great day.